Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a follow-up video for the Dieseltronic video with the BMC air filter, but there's going to be something different. Last time the video was only for petrol heads, but this time it's going to be a vlog. So you can call it my first vlog or the second one because my previous prank had a vlog. The vlog is going to start like this because I'm starting off my day by leaving to Gonikopa. It's just down almost 26 kilometers away from my place. Why I'm going so far? Because Monday is my brother's birthday. Kari's Yash. I'll leave a picture of him here. Okay, so I am giving. Me and my youngest brother are making him a cake, baking a cake. So small change in the thing. I was wearing a green shirt and my mom didn't like it, so I had to switch to the black. So yeah, you have to listen to your mom sometime.
Thanks. I think he looks good in this black shirt.
This is the very beautiful stretch while going to Gonikopa. Even though this road is, this route is a little longer, we always prefer to take this because the car don't get damaged. The other roads are really bad. So in this, I can also show you the performance. So with the BMC air filter, the smoke has also reduced, and in P1, I didn't use P2 much because it's a fuel guzzler, and on top of that, there is a small change that needs in the engine, like I want to do a liquimoly oil flush and all that, and add diesel additives and all. So until then I don't want to harm my engine. I don't think it will, but since my car has already done 1,15,000 kilometers, I don't want to risk it. So with BMC, the performance is this thing. You can see now I'll do a rolling from 40 kilometers per hour, and you can see how fast the car tends to reach 100 and 120 or whatever. So let me just get a proper road. So I'm at 40 right now, and the car effortlessly pulls. So hi guys, this is my air box, and inside this it comes out with 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, actually 5, 6, and I think there's one more here, 7 screws. If I just loosen it, the screw doesn't come out, it just comes to the top, like it's a non-detachable screw. Once I loosen all the screws, this just lifts up. It is not a big deal. This is the MAF sensor. When you are doing the replacement of your air filter, this is a replacement filter, not the tubing or plumbing one. This is a replacement filter. I'll tell you whether it is good or not later. So when you do this, you have to remove this sensor wire. My plug comes off like this. I just have to pull this out, press this and pull it out. Right now it's installed. This is the MAF sensor for my car. This is the one that sends signal to the engine saying how much air should be taken into the car. So you just open this and you put the filter, replacement filter, just sits inside, and you can tighten everything. Okay, and while doing this, I always recommend to remove your negative signal from your battery. This is the filter I replaced from the car. It didn't look that bad, but as soon as I changed the filter, the P0100 thing turned off by itself. So I think maybe even though it is not seen or it doesn't look very dirty, it actually was blocking the airflow of the car. So yeah.
So finally, I'd like to end by saying that the BMC air filter has done wonders for me because it has cleared a code, and I'm pretty sure my car is getting sufficient air after changing it to BMC because as I said, the P0100 code. But do I recommend the air filter for you guys? I don't know, because I have done a piggy bank ECU, that is the Dieseltronic. It works wonders. You might not see a difference if you have not got any tune or piggy bank ECU like I did. So it's up to you. But for me, I'm really happy. The roll start from 40 to 100 that you watched. In that, what I wanted to show you was that I did not increase my car's RPM over 3000. So everything, I usually don't drive above 3000 because it harms the engine. So I keep it from, and my car had a turbo lag that is from 2000 to 3000. So now it kicks in early at 1500 and I can switch the gear at 2000 itself. But in the video I went up to 3000 and showed you that my car reaches to 100 before 3000 rpm itself. So the performance is exceptional. I don't know if the video does justice, but if you are inside the car, you'll know the amount of power you feel inside the car. And I have had a mileage gain of 1 to 2 kmpl also. So I'm really happy with Dieseltronic and BMC, and I recommend it to everybody who are auto enthusiasts and want to, perform. I want a different car itself compared to what they have right now, because it's that good of an improvement. So for the petrol guys, there is a Powertronic, I guess, from the guys at Race Dynamics. Get in touch with them if you have a petrol car. And if you're not from Karnataka and if you're somewhere else, I think they can ship it. Or if you want to get a ECU tune because they don't have a piggy bank ECU, you can go to your local tuner. There are many. Like one of my friend from Mumbai was asking me what he can do. So I recommend, going to a performance shop. Even in Delhi, even in Mumbai, there are a lot of tuners who are really good. Or you can always come down to Bangalore, Code 6, even they are good. But for me, Dieseltronic has done real good and I'm really happy with the performance. So the next video will be about diesel additives and intake cleaner. So stay tuned for that. And guys, please subscribe and like and share it with your friends, because your subscription and your likes and your shares are only going to motivate me to do more videos. Otherwise, I don't even know whether you're liking these videos or no. So please leave a like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video.